Welcome to the lesson on assembly. Upon completion of this lesson, learners will be able to describe the various assembly processes and their importance in electric vehicle production. Learners will also be able to categorize the assembly processes by their joining mechanisms and key characteristics. In our daily lives, we are familiar with the concept of assembly. We assemble sandwiches to eat, we assemble items to wrap up a present, and we even assemble toys and model planes for entertainment. In industry, assembly is the last step in the manufacturing process, where individual parts are combined to make the final product. Assembly is the process that combines multiple products to produce the final product. Various joining processes are employed in electric vehicle manufacturing to create these finished assemblies. Some of the joining processes discussed in EV assembly in this lesson include welding, soldering, brazing, mechanical fastening, adhesive bonding, press fitting, and wire harnessing. Welding is a process of joining two metalwork pieces by melting them at the same time and letting them cool as a single part. During welding, the intense heat creates a strong molecular bond between the metals, forming a permanent connection that becomes integral to the structure. Welders must exercise precise control over temperature and cooling rates to prevent metal distortion or weakness that could compromise the joint's integrity. Due to the high temperatures and harmful fumes involved in the process, proper safety equipment, including masks, gloves, and protective clothing, is essential for welders to protect themselves from potential hazards. Soldering is a joining process where a low melting point metal, known as a solder, is melted to bond two metal pieces without melting the base metals. The solder filler metal typically has a melting point below 450 degrees Celsius, creating a strong electrical and mechanical connection between the joined parts. During the process, flux is applied to prevent oxidation and ensure a better flow of molten solder between joints, which is important for creating good connections. This method is extensively used in EV manufacturing for battery management systems, power electronics assembly, sensor connections, and circuit board components. Brazing is a metal joining process using a filler metal that melts above 450 degrees Celsius while base metals stay solid. The filler metal flows into the joint gap through capillary action, creating a strong bond between the components being joined. Due to the high temperatures involved, careful control is required to prevent damage to base metals during the process. Brazing excels at joining dissimilar metals and creates stronger joints than soldering, making it particularly valuable in EV manufacturing, where it is commonly used for cooling system components, heat exchangers, and power electronics that require robust, leak-proof connections between different metals. Mechanical fastening is a process of joining components using hardware that creates a physical connection through applied force or interlocking. Common fasteners include bolts, screws, rivets, and clips that allow for assembly and disassembly, providing flexibility in maintenance and repairs. Load distribution and proper torque specifications are critical for joint reliability, ensuring the connection remains secure under operating conditions. The selection of appropriate fasteners depends on various factors including load requirements, material compatibility, and serviceability needs, making it essential for engineers to carefully consider these parameters during the design phase to ensure optimal performance. Adhesive bonding is a process of joining materials by creating a chemical bond between surfaces using polymer-based substances. This process is commonly used to attach windshields to the vehicle frame. The process is also used in battery pack assembly to bond cells and provide thermal conductivity, ensuring proper heat management in the system. The process creates lightweight, vibration-resistant joints in EV body structures. One of its key advantages is enabling the joining of dissimilar materials like composites to metals in modern EV designs, which helps maintain the required structural rigidity while achieving weight reduction. Press fitting is a process of joining parts by forcing a cylindrical component into a hole of a slightly smaller diameter, creating a secure mechanical bond through interference. This method is commonly used in EV motor assembly for bearing installation and shaft components. The process creates dependable interference fits for power transmission components, ensuring power transfer in the drivetrain. Press fittings are also used in battery connectors and bus bar assemblies to securely connect electrical components and distribute power safely throughout the vehicle. Wire harnessing is a process of organizing and securing multiple electrical cables and connectors into a unified assembly, ensuring the systematic organization of complex electrical systems. For EV manufacturing, this process is used in battery management systems, where it's essential to properly connect cells, sensors, and control modules. The process includes proper routing, strain relief, and protection against environmental factors to maintain the integrity of electrical connections throughout the vehicle over time. Wire harnessing is especially important for high-voltage connections in EVs, where specific safety standards and shielding must be met to ensure safe operation and protect against electromagnetic interference. Here's an overview of the main assembly processes used in EV manufacturing, categorized by their joining mechanisms and key characteristics. Heat-based joining processes include welding, soldering, and brazing, which use thermal energy to create molecular or metallurgical bonds at various temperature ranges, typically resulting in permanent connections. Mechanical joining methods like mechanical fastening and press fitting rely on physical force or interference fits rather than heat, offering permanent and removable connection options through mechanical interlocking. Chemical joining, represented by adhesive bonding, utilizes polymer-based substances to create chemical bonds between surfaces, often at room temperature or with heat curing, and excels at joining dissimilar materials. Finally, organizational processes like wire harnessing do not join components, but instead focus on arranging and protecting multiple electrical and electronic components using supplementary fasteners for security. In summary, assembly combines components using heat-based, mechanical, chemical, and organizational joining methods to create finished products. Different joining processes serve specific purposes, from permanently welded bonds to removable mechanical connections. Process selection depends on material compatibility, bond strength requirements, and serviceability needs. Thank you.